Singapore's working population supported even more seniors over the past decade. The latest census report showed the old age dependency ratio increasing, even as it posted the slowest population growth for a decade. Resident numbers went up just over 1% each year from 2010 to 2020, and that's less than half that of the previous 10 years. Nisha Rahim reports.
Lan King is always worried about leaving her 92-year-old mother alone at home. As the only caregiver, she checks on mom in this rental unit each morning. It's an arduous task for the 72-year-old who has to look after her own family as well. The retiree also depends on her 2 children for support.
我孩子有给我费用。 还有是说，他老人家以前也有一点积蓄啊，不是说很多啦。那我以前也是有工作，有积蓄一点点啦。
Her case is becoming common as the population ages more quickly. The old age dependency ratio has increased, meaning the population has more elderly to support. In 2020, there were 23 seniors 65 and above for every 100 people in their working ages. It was 13.5 in 2010.
We know that we have an aging population. We know that we have to provide for them. I mean, many of you yourselves will have aging parents, relatives. You've seen that the incidences of dementia have risen, partly because our population is actually living longer. But whilst you're living longer, part of a corollary of that is some of them get dementia. So you have to look at care.
This could mean a bigger workload for the elder care sector. For Lions Befrienders, this has doubled over the past 5 years. The social service agency serves over 7,500 seniors and says it's not just about hiring more caregivers.
20 years ago, you could hire someone, as long as they are passionate for seniors, you can bring them in. Today, we do need more specialized care. The cost of hiring has gone up because these are specialized skills. All our frontline staff have the required training, things like the mental health certifications, counseling, as well as proper community social work skill sets, the proper pedagogy.
But analysts say the bigger issue is how to make healthcare costs sustainable with more seniors. One says the retirement age might have to go up further.
In the drive towards competition and reduced costs of labor, you are basically retrenching a lot of your old people, and you're passing the cost on to higher and higher consumption, because when people are retired earlier, they're no longer working, all the problems will come up, increased costs.
Dr. Phua says it could ultimately mean higher taxes for younger people. He adds that Singapore can learn from other countries such as Japan to double down on emerging technologies that can help seniors keep working.